Hello, today I'll be discussing resolving conflicts. Conflicts could be disagreements between you and somebody, or between people, family members, and those in a relationship. Now, the cheapest way of resolving conflicts before inviting the court to assist you with resolving conflicts is to avoid and manage conflicts. This could be done by inviting mutual friends and family members to assist you in resolving the conflict. Another cheap way of resolving conflict is to avoid attending events and occasions that could lead to conflict. You could also try and move out of a situation that could lead to conflict. For example, if you are in a home, you are feeling threatened, or you think the conflict is getting out of hand, you could choose to move out of the home pending the time the conflict is resolved. Or alternatively, depending on the rights you have over that property, you could ask the other party to leave. Now, this does not apply only to your spouse. It also applies to troublesome family members and friends that are troubling your home. Then another thing you could do is that you could refer the matter to mediation, and you could also attend counseling sessions. Now, some religious institutions offer free counseling. There are some paid counseling services that you and those in conflict could attend and obtain the required counseling. Now, if after you've done all of this and the conflict is not resolved and is getting out of hand, you could report the matter to the police, especially if your life is in danger, and the police could get the other party arrested. The police could also ask the other party to leave the house. Like I told you, it's not necessarily your spouse only. It also applies to troublesome family members, troublesome friends that are causing conflict in the home. Then you could also obtain legal advice. That is where we come in. Upon obtaining legal advice, we could tell you the best way to approach the situation from the position of law. We could also assist you in obtaining court orders like non-molestation order, which is an order to protect you from abuse or harassment, or occupation order if you find yourself in a situation, maybe for example, your spouse changed the locks before you got back, or kicked you out of the house. And depending on the circumstance of your case, we can apply to the court for what is called an occupation order to allow you to move back in to the matrimonial home. Then there's also stalking protection orders. This is usually done by the police, where in the instance that the police feels that there's a need to protect you, the police could make an application for a stalking protection order. Now, for further inquiries, please do not hesitate to contact me, and kindly take note that my consultation fee would apply. Thank you.